Hey, have you ever considered how toxic shame is to hold on to? Or wondered what essential oils are good for emotional release? Or what nonverbal signs of shame? What the long-term effects of shame? Welcome to the Low Tox Living Series, where we explore the fascinating world of emotional well-being. I'm your host, vanZ, here to inspire and influence you on your journey towards a healthier and happier emotional state. Today, we'll delve into the power of essential oils for emotional release and uncover the nonverbal signs and long-term effects of shame. Get ready for a blend of fun, research, and healing insights. If you're looking for an essential emotions breakthrough coach that can help you improve your health, body, finances, business, and/or relationships, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Remember, emotions can be toxic. This Low Tox Living Series has answers for you. Stick around until the end to hear how to get my Essential Oils Emotional Reference Guide. Picture this. You're feeling overwhelmed by emotions and you long for a way to let go and find balance. That's where essential oils come into play. These incredible gifts from the earth have the power to support our emotional well-being and promote release. These act like little magic erasers. What essential oils are good for emotional release? Great question. When it comes to emotional release, especially shame, one essential oil that stands out is dōTERRA's copaiba. This remarkable oil, known as the oil of unveiling, has a unique ability to help us connect with our past and navigate deeper meanings and messages that show up in our lives. Shame, a powerful emotion that can affect us in profound ways. Sometimes it's not easy to identify shame in ourselves or others. Let's uncover the nonverbal signs that can help us recognize this complex emotion. What are the nonverbal signs of shame? Nonverbal signs of shame can vary from person to person, but common indicators include lowered head and gaze, slouched shoulders, avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, and a physical sense of discomfort. Can be valuable insights in our own emotional state and can help us to have compassion for those around us. Shame can have long-lasting toxic effects on our emotional well-being, affecting our self-esteem, relationships, and overall life satisfaction. Let's take a closer look at the potential consequences of shame. What are the long-term effects of shame? The long-term effects of shame can manifest in various ways, including feelings of worthlessness, fear of judgment and rejection, self-isolation, difficulty trusting others, and even physical symptoms like anxiety or depression. Understanding these effects allows us to address shame with compassion and seek healing. Now, let's focus on dōTERRA's copaiba essential oil, powerful ally for emotional healing. According to my favorite essential emotions reference guide description, copaiba essential oil is known as the oil of unveiling. It invites you to connect with your past and unravels the deeper meanings and messages that emerge in life. For those carrying guilt or shame, copaiba encourages appropriate remorse and forgiveness, empowering them to move forward. It also invites individuals to see clarity and redefine their lives through a connection with the divine. Copaiba has the ability to remind us that the divine has always known us as whole beings, from our earliest childhood wounds to our present limitations. With the knowledge of essential oils for emotional release, the nonverbal signs of shame, and long-term effects of shame, we can embark on the journey of healing and self-compassion. Remember, dōTERRA's copaiba essential oil is there to support you in unveiling the deeper layers of your emotions, finding clarity, and reconnecting with your true essence. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of the Low Tox Living Series. Explore the power of essential oils, embrace emotional release, and stay tuned for more insights on our next episode. Until then, take care and nurture your emotional well-being. Comment below on what you are looking for when it comes to embracing low tox living. Click the bell if you appreciated this content to make sure you get notified when the next video is uploaded. You made it to the end. Download my freebie that can be found via the link in the description field, along with a link to purchase at wholesale price. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and watch related videos.